Hello everyone, we're here at Workzone Traffic Management. We're here to talk to Jude Allchurch. She's kindly agreed to have a chat to us about the recent onboarding with Traffio and the transition across from their old platform. So first of all, Jude, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks very much, Simon.
Could you tell us a little bit about your business?
Certainly. Workzone Traffic Control has been going for now 21 years, started by Andrew White. Very small business as all they usually are to start off with. We now have approximately 110 traffic controllers, about 30 in the actual office area, plus we also have a training RTO for traffic management Ausroads. So yeah, heavily involved in all areas of temporary traffic management.
Fantastic, great story. So how long have you been using Traffio now?
We started on the 1st of December in 2024. So it's been a journey.
Jude, what were the challenges with the previous platform that you were using?
To be quite honest, I didn't, having started with that particular platform, I didn't see a lot wrong with it. Major issues were that we didn't have any connection to an American company. So the problem was that if we wanted something changed or something that we would like to see actually put onto the system to assist us, we couldn't do that. To be honest, I wasn't that partial about moving originally.
But you saw some value in moving to a local system?
Well, when you came over to have that meeting with us, and we had a group of individuals in the office that were actually, or in the room that were actually involved in the business and how it works, it was noticeable that around the table there was lots of nods about the things that you were pointing out to us, and we are very happy that we moved.
Fantastic, great to hear that. So Jude, can you tell us a bit more about what it was like implementing Traffio for you and your business?
Well, it was quite interesting actually, because I set us a timeline of 3 months.
I remember that.
And I remember that the Traffio staff were a little overwhelmed by the fact that they weren't sure that we could do it in 3 months. But I felt that if we were all pushing to get this done, December was a good month for us, being a little bit quieter in the traffic management area. I felt that we could do it. So we did push, and I have to say the staff at Traffio were so amazing at having team meetings with different areas of the business, operations, finance, sales, so that everybody understood what was going to happen when we did switch the button, and we did on the 1st of December 2024.
Well done, and congratulations on achieving that. Were there any little nuggets, or what was the biggest surprise that you found with Traffio?
I think because, as I said, I've only ever used one other platform, and I think the fact that it's built for traffic management is just was a total surprise about how good it was and how much it could benefit us and what we needed within the business.
Fantastic. And what has been the biggest thing to come out of Traffio for you?
I think for us overall, I think the ease that we can use it and the response time that we have from the team in Melbourne, certainly that made our life very easy to start off with. And I think overall, now that we've got used to it a bit, I don't think we make as many phone calls. So Kat and the team, I would probably now love us.
Fantastic, good positive feedback for Kat and the team and our onboarding team as well. So how has Traffio helped you grow in the short time since you've moved across?
I think Traffio, because we have a very large volume of business, as far as individual jobs, we do probably about 90% of SA Power Networks work. And of course, there are a lot of individual jobs. We probably do around 500 jobs a month with them. So that's 500 entries.
Wow.
So there's a lot of entry that we do. I think the fact that the whole cloning system works really well for us. The fact that we have the systems where if there's a project on, we can run it as a project. So those are the things, I don't know whether it's made our business grow, but certainly it's assisted us with the ease that we can actually make sure that the business is running smoothly.
So some efficiencies there.
Absolutely, efficiencies.
Excellent. Is there anything else that you'd like to add to close out?
No, I think what I've been particularly happy with, and to all of the team at Traffio, I think we felt like we were joining a family. and I think that's made a big start to making us feel welcome, making us feel like we can contact you. And so, you know, I'm a huge fan now, considering I didn't want to move. But yeah, the Traffio family have, I think, you know, we certainly Workzone Traffio well like this.
Yes, fantastic. That's what we love. We love to consider all of our customers as part of our family. So much so that Jude even turned up in Traffio orange to the last 2 months.
I did indeed. Yes, absolutely. It was very deliberate too. And I think, I just mentioned one other thing. The Traffio conference was absolutely fantastic. And also, if you have any doubts about doing that again, and the just even access to Nick and the team was really fantastic, and we appreciated that.
Fantastic. Thanks for that, Jude. That's added
No
to
worries.
Tara's workload now. That's how we like to finish.
That's
fantastic.
It.